In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Teamviewer app onto your laptop in just 5 minutes. Teamviewer is a handy tool for remote control, desktop sharing, online meetings, and file transfers, and getting it set up on your laptop is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, fire up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open and ready to go, type Teamviewer official website into the search bar. Hit enter and choose the official website from the search results. This should take you directly to their homepage, where you can access the latest version of Teamviewer. Now that you're on the official site, look for the section labeled Download. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage, either as a button or a dedicated section. Clicking this will direct you to the download page where you can make your selection. Here's an important step. You need to choose the version that aligns with your laptop's operating system. Whether your laptop runs on Windows, macOS, or Linux, Teamviewer offers a compatible version for each. Take a moment to confirm which operating system you're using if you're uncertain about this. For Windows, it will usually state in the Start menu, and for macOS, you can check under the Apple icon. This ensures you download the right version that will work seamlessly on your laptop. Now, depending on the level of interaction you need from Teamviewer, you'll have two primary options for download: the full client or the quick support client. If you're planning to both provide and receive support, you'll want the full client. On the other hand, if you only need to receive support, the quick support client should suffice. Consider your requirements and make the selection that best suits your needs. After selecting the correct version, the download will commence automatically. Typically, the downloaded file lands in your Downloads folder. Navigate to that folder, and you should see a new file ready to be installed. Double-click this file to start the installation process and follow the on-screen instructions. This generally involves agreeing to some terms and selecting a destination for the installation, which is straightforward. When the installation is complete, you're all set. You can now launch Teamviewer directly from your desktop, or alternatively, find it in the Start menu if you're using Windows. Now you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to facilitate remote work, assist family and friends, or manage your own devices. Teamviewer is ready to meet your remote access needs, and you established it in just a few simple steps. Enjoy your new software.